Hey, it's Miko from Wander Open Roads. Where are you right now?
We are at the RV and Manufactured Home Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana.
All right. Woo-hoo.
So you may ask yourself, what are we doing in Elkhart, Indiana? Well, Elkhart, or better yet, Elkhart County, Indiana, is considered the RV capital of the world. This is where about 80% of the RVs that are made in the United States are made in this area. Now, it's right near South Bend, Indiana, not too far from either Chicago or Detroit, so it's a good centralized location, and there's a large Amish community there of craftsmen that do a great job, and that's just where they make them. So if you are an RVer and you have not been to this area, you should definitely go check it out. There is a pretty good chance that your RV was made there, and you can actually go on factory tours and things of this nature. But the first stop that we made was to the RV Manufacturing Hall of Fame, and we definitely saw some cool stuff here. It was interesting how they equated the beginning of RVing to the stagecoach days. That was a correlation I had never really thought of. But honestly, RVing was something that really came about not long after the invention of the automobile. As soon as people could travel, people needed a way to travel and stay overnight. So it just kind of makes sense. Another part of the museum was the Mobile Home Hall of Fame. And, although I hadn't really correlated mobile homes with RVs in the past, when you look at the construction and a lot of the components, it's really the same stuff. So it was definitely interesting to see some of the exhibits on mobile homes, and definitely these old school mobile homes were really interesting, really neat, just kind of seeing that history. This really blew my mind. A travel trailer from 1913. Wow. although it's apparent that RVs have really come a long way, in terms of the basic necessities that the RVs offered, I mean, it's really not that much different. I mean, you could cook and sleep and entertain yourself and do all the basic things that you can do with RVs nowadays. It's really amazing. As I mentioned, we did check out the Jayco Factory Tour. We have an Integra Class C that was made at the actual factory that we got to tour, which was really cool. You have to sign up ahead of time for these tours, and unfortunately we were not able to take any video, but we do have these cool pictures. So another thing to do in the area is to go to South Bend, Indiana, which is about 25 minutes away from Elkhart, and check out the Notre Dame campus. So the University of Notre Dame is one of the more famous universities in America. The university was founded by a French priest in 1842, but in more recent times, Notre Dame is very famous for its football teams, which have won several national championships, and they have a lot of really neat murals and statues that honor all of their head coaches that have won national championships. And but really, just the campus itself is very beautiful, and we decided to do a walking tour and check it out. So this building is actually the library, but it is most famous for its depiction of Jesus and what they call touchdown Jesus, because it's right across from the football stadium. Now, this is the oldest part of the campus. This is the administrative building that they call the main building. You'd think they'd have a little bit better title for that, but oh well. And as you can see, they're doing some renovations to the famous gold dome that is up on the top. And this area also houses, right next door, Washington Hall. And also on the other side, the Basilica of the Sacred Heart, which is the Catholic Church where they hold Mass. And all of these buildings are from the late 1800s. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure.
Wander safely. Be sure to check out our camping apparel and accessories at shopredsquare.com. We also sell on Etsy and Amazon. The links will be in the description. Thank you.